let's start now. All of you please take out your math notebook. All of you please take out your math notebook and follow me. Previous class we practiced from chapter how much can we carry. Okay, today also we will practice from that chapter. Okay, write number 1. The first question, number 1, write the names of write the names of 5 things which are heavier than write the names of 5 things which are heavier than book. Heavier than book. Okay. Please answer me on chat. 5 things name you have to write over here that should be heavier your book. Heavier than your book you can write or no. If you write book, no problem. Heavier than your book. Yes, bag, school bag, brick, good. Write down school bag, brick. Next, brick Ayush done. School bag done. That should be heavier. Others. School bag done, beta. 5 things. Water bottle, no, Devapriya, it is then heavier than your book. Yes, it may be than your book. Water bottle. Samriddho, cylinder, okay, correct. Others? Watermelon. Then your book, watermelon, yes, it is correct. Okay, you can write. No page, Sudeshna, write down in your notebook. We will practice. Now we are practice globe, not Sujan globe. If you take a small globe, then may not be heavier than your book. Okay, school bag, brick. You can write water bottle. And next you can write heavier than your book. Watermelon. Yes, you can write chair, table, you can write, no problem. Board is clear, beta. Why you can't see? Board clear. You just disconnect yourself and connect again. school bag, brick, water bottle, watermelon, and table. Someone has written table, right? Chair, table. You can write chair, table. Yes, you can use chair. And table. School bag, brick, water bottle, chair, table. These all are, yes. Next number, excuse me, this is number 2. Next number 2, write the names of 5 things which are lighted than your school bag. Write the names of 5 things which are lighter than your school bag. You have to write the name of 5 things which are lighter than Purbayon. Completed. You can see the board. Yes, sister, board was also correct. Now this answer, please answer this question. Oh, yes. This part you cannot see. Then I have to drop question number 1. Then I can write question number 2. Write the names of 5 things. Question number 2, write down. Write the names of 5 things which are lighter. Write the names of 5 things which are lighter than your school bag. Now you can see this part. Now you can see. Yes, okay. Write down lighter, pencil, eraser, book, notebook, and yes, and sharpener, ruler. You can write. pencil, eraser, sharpener, book, notebook. This all. Ruler, yes, you can write ruler. No problem, you can write. Tiffin box, you can write. Pencil, eraser, book, notebook, sharpener, eraser, ruler, cup, whatever. If you want, whatever you want to, you can write. Whatever you want, you can write. No problem. But that should be lighter than your school bag. Okay? School bag means inside the school bag we keep books, notebooks, pencil box, pencil, eraser. Inside the pencil box we keep pencil, eraser, sharpener and water bottle, tiffin box, okay, ruler. Next, arrange them. Next question. I have to rub the board. Completed, beta? Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Arrange them in order from the lightest to the heaviest. Arrange them in order from the lightest to the heaviest. This one, laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone, and pen drive. You have to arrange them. You have to arrange them lightest to the heaviest. Lightest to the heaviest. Okay. I am given laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone, and pen drive. Which is the lightest here? First, lightest to the heaviest. First, you have to arrange. I have given 2 minutes time to arrange. Then I will do. Quick. Yes, Ayush, very good. First, pen drive. First, you have to write this lightest pen drive. Next, after, yes, pen drive first. Then next, after pen drive, after pen drive, answer me beta. Smartphone, yes. Devopriya, you can't see the full board. Now the board is clear beta. I am not writing that down portion, I am not using. Laptop I have given, arrange them in order from the lightest to the heaviest. You just turn off, you just disconnect yourself and connect again, Devopriya. And I have given the question is here, laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone and pen drive. Here pen drive, then smartphone, then smartphone, then tablet, tab, okay, tablet, then laptop, and the last one is desktop. Okay, arrange in lightest to the heaviest: pen drive, smartphone, tablet, laptop, then desktop. Okay, yes Shujan, pen drive, smartphone, tablet, laptop, desktop. Okay, fine, very good. Please complete the board work quickly. Yes Oshmit, good, very good. Purbayan, very good. Okay, completed. I will drop the board. Completed beta, reply me. Arrange them in order from the lightest to the heaviest: laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone and pen drive. Answer, you arrange lightest to the heaviest: pen drive, smartphone, tablet, laptop, then desktop. Okay, I hope completed. Now the next topic. Fill in the blanks using the words. Fill in the blanks using the words lighter or heavier, or heavier. Fill in the blanks using the words lighter or heavier. Number, okay, next topic, continue beta. Number A. A school bag is dash than a pencil box. A school bag is than a pencil box. A school bag is lighter than a pencil box or heavier than a pencil box. A school bag is, reply me beta. A school bag is dash than a, yes Shujan, very good. A school bag is heavier than a pencil box. Yes Sestha, correct. Next question, question number B. Question number B. A pillow is dash than a mattress. A pillow is dash than a mattress. A pillow is, what happened Sudashna? Yes Devapriya, that one is heavier. Shrestha, lighter, yes correct. A pillow is lighter than a mattress. A pillow is lighter, L-I-G-H-T-E-R. A pillow is lighter than a mattress. Yes, next number C. Next number C. A coat is Our coat is dash, then a shirt. Our coat is dash, then a shirt. Our coat is heavier or lighter than a shirt. Coat is heavier. Coat is heavier than a shirt. Than a shirt. Heavier. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. A coat is heavier than a shirt. Coat is heavier than a shirt. Quick beta, I will rub the board. And the next question I have to write. If I write down, you cannot see. Completed? A, B and C completed beta. Next number D. Next number D. A balloon is dash than a book. A balloon is dash than a book. A balloon is, okay, very good. A balloon is dash than a book. A balloon is lighter or heavier? A balloon is lighter than a book. Next number E. Next number E. A wheel is dash than a button. A wheel is dash than a button. A wheel is lighter than a button or heavier than a button. A wheel is, reply me beta. A wheel is, previous one lighter, this one is a wheel is heavier than a button. A wheel is heavier. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier than a button. Okay? Yes, Oshmit. Good. Today, this much. Completed? Completed beta? Okay, now one more, number F. This is the last one, number F. A pen is dash than a feather. A pen is dash than a feather. A pen is heavier than a feather. A pen is heavier. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. A pen is heavier than a feather. Okay? You all will complete this much till F. Okay? For today, bye. See you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.